Hi traders, Anthony here. Welcome to the video. This is to introduce our VIP trade signals with a free 30-day trial. Previously, it was a requirement that you purchase a prop firm challenge to be eligible for the free trial. However, this is no longer the case. This is 100% free, no charge whatsoever for 30 days. We've just opened a new Telegram channel here, as you can see, with copy-friendly signals. This is the format that these will be now available, presented in Telegram. There's two channels. There's the VIP signals and VIP. So the free trial gives you access to both this channel, as we're placing information there, plus the new signals channel with this format. So here's how to get started with this. Head over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. You can click the Forex signals link here or join VIP. Let's go over here. And here's what you get with the membership. It's 100% free for the first month. You gain access to our TradingView indicators, obviously the two VIP channels in Telegram, and all of our tutorials. To be eligible for the free month, all you need to do is click this subscribe button down here. This is a PayPal link, and understand that you will not be charged when you click this link. You won't face any charges for the initial month. Billing commences after 30 days. So in 30 days time, PayPal will bill you the $49.95 fee, and that will start at the beginning of the second month. Should you opt out for any reason, as you can see here, you can cancel the PayPal subscription at any time. You can do that through your PayPal account, or you can contact us and we'll do it for you. I can't imagine that will be the case once you experience the quality of our signals. I will invite you to backtest. In other words, go back in time. We had a very strong 2023. You'll be able to go through the signals here and see how they were stacking up through 2023. We had a very flat month towards the end of December into January, as is normally expected. But I assure you, as 2024 unfolds, you'll find our trade signals are quite exceptional. Here's an option for you. Use the signals to grow a prop firm account. 30 days at no cost whatsoever. Take up this opportunity and find out what's possible. This could be a life-changing experience for you, and I don't say that lightly. So with that, I look forward to hearing from you and hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.